10 plus 2 parenthesis 8 divided by 4 times 2. 10 plus 2 will give us 12. Then we have 12 parenthesis 8 divided by 4 times 2. Then we solve our parentheses. 8 divided by 4 will give us 2. Then we have 2 times 2. Put it down our parentheses. Then bring our 12 here. 2 times 2 will give us 4. Then we are left with 12 times 4. 12 times 4 is 48. 48 is the wrong answer to this question because we do not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let's solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to solve our parentheses, which is 8 divided by 4 times 2. In our parentheses, we have a division and a multiplication. So division and multiplication have equal priorities. We are going to work from our left to our right. 8 divided by 4 will give us 2. Then we have 2 times 2. Put it down our parentheses. Then break down our 10 plus 2. Then we are seeing our parentheses. 2 times 2 will give us 4. Then we have 10 plus 2 times 4. If a number is close to a parenthesis, there is a multiplication sign in between, which is this multiplication sign here. Now we have addition and multiplication. We are going to solve our multiplication first because it comes first before addition. 2 times 4 will give us 8. Then we have 10 plus 8. 10 plus 8 is equals to 18. 18 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.